What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream and welcome back to the Frankie Candles channel, where I show you how to trade crypto and make money whether the price is going up or down. Welcome to the stream, guys. We have another awesome show tonight, as we always do. We're going to be looking at the Bitcoin charts. What's going on, right? We got to get past that area of resistance we talked about, and I will show again in here just in a second. But we are retracing just a little bit. We actually came up quite a bit. I mean, we came up a little bit, right? We did get, below 42. We are holding support right now. We're actually approaching a spider line that will act as resistance. But we're gonna get into that. We're gonna look at the altcoins. We're gonna be checking chat. We're gonna be spinning the wheel of pain and pleasure. I promise I won't rug pull you guys on the spins again. I'm just kidding. We did make up for them yesterday because I forgot to do them the other day. But yeah, guys, awesome show. Who do we got in chat here? Let's see. Red Robles. I've remembered how to pronounce your name. What's going on, man? The anxious investor. Like I said last time, we're gonna work on switching anxious to confident, but I do like that name, the anxious investor. That flows. I like that. Gregory AZTV, what's going on? Jimmy Two Shoes, what's going on, brother? Thank you for being here once again. I'm sure Bricklayer will be in here very soon, I'm sure, if he isn't already. Freedom, Gaztop, Tyler Durden, one of our wonderful mods. Thank you very much. Crypto Jimbo, Riley, Mo, Doug, aka Brandon, XRP Shillbilly, what's going on? Memphis Nick, Inked B Baker, V Slim, welcome back. Bubba's Crypto, as always, good to see you. Let's see, B69, what's going on? I like your name. Patrick, what's going on? KP, Neil, Grassy Bacon, Jared, Rickster. I think I got a lot of these people. C-Do Carter, what is going on? Welcome to the stream. ALP, Brad, JSN, Ryan, and again, Bubba's popped up there at the end. What is going on, guys? Like I said, another amazing show. We got 138 people in here right now. Thank you for being here, guys. Smash the like button. For every 100 likes we get, you get to spin the wheel of pain and pleasure. We got giveaways. We got fun challenges. I'm gonna work, right? I think tomorrow we will be able to get either the jelly beans, right? The nasty jelly beans that I'm supposed to eat. Order them online. Hopefully they're gonna be here by tomorrow. If not, I'm gonna try to get my hands on some maybe bugs because I landed on that. I'm gonna try to get my hands on some crickets. Yeah, let's see. Also, big news. We are going to be doing, I think I'm going to announce the winners tomorrow. We do have the Cardano NFT giveaway. Let me just show the NFT really quick. This is the CNFT we're going to be giving away. So what you're going to have to do is go to the last video that was uploaded yesterday or last night and go watch it, like it, and comment. You must be a subscriber and you will be entered in to get either the Cardano NFT or the 15-minute one-on-one call with me, Frankie Candles. So yeah, we're going to be picking both of those from that video. So if you haven't already, go check out that latest video and leave a comment and leave a like so you can get in and possibly win this NFT. We're doing a lot of giveaways on this channel, right? I appreciate you guys for being here and supporting the channel. So I got to give back to you guys. So yeah, let's see, what do we got going on in chat? Please do let me know what you think. Okay, what's up, man? You making some money with these fib levels and spider lines? You know it, Mitch, you know it. Actually got stopped out of a trade, not in profit today, right? I'm not gonna sit here and, I'm not gonna sit here and only show my wins, right? I'm probably not gonna pull it up, but I will show you guys where I got into the trade. I got stopped out at a very, very small loss, right? Because stop loss, right? Yeah, guys, see, I get stopped out too, so don't worry about it if you lose some trades. It's not a big deal as long as you manage your risk and you're not crying about losing the money. That means you're trading with too much money. Let's see, hit that like for Mr. Candles Cohen. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Heard Elizabeth Warren shorted BTC with 250 million to make Russia lose more value. Hey, maybe, Neil. John Spillner, welcome to the chat. I'm in a loss right now, but looks like I'm making some back. Let's go. Let's go. Bitcoin Daily seems quite interesting. Yes, hi, Frankie. BTC short or long for 4-hour deep push. We will take a look at that. Welcome back to the stream, by the way. Hey, Vinny's in the chat. Let's see. That's a sweet NFT. Thanks for all the knowledge, Frankie. Hashtag bing bong. No, thank you. Thank you guys for being here. So, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the charts. And we're going to be taking a look at some patterns that I had brought up actually a pretty good while ago for possible scenarios for Bitcoin. So we're going to take a look at a couple of those scenarios. As always, I'm going to give you the bullish case, I'm going to give you the bearish case, and we're going to take a look here and see what we got going on. So let's jump in. Okay. So we're going to start here, guys, on the 1 minute, right? The 1 minute, the most important time frame. This is where all the big moves happen. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. We're going to start on our weekly, right? We like to start on our longer time frames and work our way down, as you guys know. So, a lot of people ask me, what's the most important, what's the most important time frame to look at? I mean, and that's totally dependent on you, your trading style, what you're trying to figure out, right? So just to give you guys a little bit of thought behind my process, I like to start on the higher time frames to identify what kind of market we're in, right? If you're in this long downtrend, right, you're probably not really going to be looking for shorts. Maybe some super low time frame scalp shorts for some bounces, but for the most part, the trend is your friend. You want to stick with that. That's why we start on the longer time frame, so we can identify the trend. Okay, so as you can see, for the past couple weeks, we've kind of just been binging and bonging, a little bing bong, bing bong. Anyway. So on the weekly, let us go ahead and take a look at this here. Now, right, I'm just going to go over this super quick because I know I go over it every single time, but I do want to cover it for the new people. The weekly looks pretty ugly overall. In a nutshell, it doesn't look too good, right? This is the top of the last cycle in 2017, 2018, right? Or I guess the top was in 2018. Well, I guess 2017. 2017, 2018. But yeah, you could see our green money flow wave on Market Cipher B peaked out right here and started working its way down right as we came down and entered the bear market. And then when we dipped into the red, we came all the way down here for the bottom of the bear market. Absolutely perfect buying opportunity right there or right here. Now, I did talk about this for our hodlers, right? If you're not necessarily interested in just day trading or swing trading or scalp trading or whatever it is, if you just kind of want to find out like a good time to buy for your long-term bags, I do recommend anytime you're in the red on the longer time frames, like the weekly, very long time frame. If you look here, you could see, this. Let me grab my brush tool. This would have been a perfect time to buy, right? As you're in the red on the money flow, these link right up, right? And then even coming back here, back over here, you're in the red, right? You're down here with these prices and you're in the red down here. So these have proven buying the dips when the money flow is in the red on the weekly proves to be a very good hodl strategy. Not a bad time if you ever see us dip into the red. But overall, right, the weekly looks bad because we were entering the bear market here. This is looking very similar, right? We are coming down with the money flow. It has not crossed over into the red just yet, but definitely want to keep our eye on this. Could this be the start of the bear market, right? Or could we possibly already be in the bear market? We could cross over here into the red and then, start to really dump. However, we do have that VWAP came up above the zero line. We got a little positive price action. Then we came right back down, very bearish sign. But now we're peaking our head. I don't know if you guys can see that. We are peaking our little head right over that zero line again. So a little bit more bullish, right? I was feeling very bearish about the weekly. Still don't feel terrific about it, but the fact that that VWAP crossed back over the zero line to the upside is definitely making me feel more bullish, right? So there's our weekly. Let's work our way down the time frames here. Looking at the 3-day. Now, this is the area of resistance that we need to get past. So let me get my rectangle tool here, right? We wicked up. So I would say, right about here. This is where we need between 43.5 and about 46, I would say. Let's bump that up to 46 or 48.8, 45.899, whatever. About 46 to 43.6, 45, 46K and 44.6. This is basically, just look at the box, guys. This is the point that we need to break. We've wicked up there and gotten rejected a couple of times. This is the level, guys. This is where we need to break. If we can get above 46, above 48, this would make me start feeling like we're gonna keep going up, right? And if we break 50, that's kind of where like my ears perk up and I'm like, okay, we're at 50. If you watch the channel, you guys will know that I have this. Basically, my thoughts are that we could possibly pump up between 48 and 52K, which is kind of where I would start to think to pull a little bit of profit off the table. Not everything, but I would be looking to take a little bit of profit that I wasn't able to get at the near the top, right? I didn't pull all my profit out here, so I still have some more money I want to take off the table. So I will be pulling it in that range, right? So just now, that's not to say I'm just pulling it all out, because I don't think it's possible that we can go higher. I talked about this yesterday. I do definitely think that there is a chance that we can go higher. I know there's a lot of people out there that believe in the extended cycle theory, and then we will hit more all-time highs before the end of the cycle. We're going to get one last rip. We haven't seen that altcoin season. We didn't get that blow off top, and a lot of people think that the extended cycle theory can play out, and we will see new all-time highs for Bitcoin before the end of the cycle. But I will say this. I've said this before. I do lean, right? I'm not saying I'm not saying that's it. We're in a bear market. I'm not saying that, but I am. I do think the extended cycle theory could play out, and we could hit all-time highs. But I would be leaning towards, just my personal perspective. And I don't want you guys to think, if you think the opposite of me, that you're wrong, or you're not leaning the same way as me, that you're wrong. This is just my personal belief. My thoughts are that we are probably already in a bear market. And we're going to get a relief pump up to between 48 and 52 before rejecting back down. But that's not to say that the extended cycle theory doesn't play out. It totally could, for a lot of different reasons. And, you want to be prepared. I like to keep you guys prepared, whether we go up or down. So, we like to keep an open mind. I'd like to give you guys the bull case, the bear case, because we're making money either way, right? It doesn't matter. I'm going to make money on this pump if we come back up higher, and I'm going to make money on the dump too. So, and so are you guys. So it doesn't really matter to me. I would like us to pump up, and I mean, I'd love us to hit all-time highs. To be completely honest with you, and we'll take a bigger look at that. But just diving a little deeper into Bitcoin here, let's come down to the daily, right? So let's see here. So we got that daily money flow, right? Kind of the same as yesterday. Let me grab my brush tool. Kind of the same as yesterday, right? Rounding off. Looks like we're starting to curve up, curving a little bit down here, but just overall, like I always say, kind of generally came down, and now we're working our way back up. That's what you want, right? That's basic market cipher rules, right? You want this general flow of everything. You want confluence in the flow of this indicator on market cipher B, right? You want money flow to come down, right? And then you want it to come back up, right? This is indicating, right? Just follow the arrow, right? Just follow the arrow. This is coming up, and we're looking for that money flow to cross back over into the green. And same thing with the momentum waves, right? So you're down here, connect this top, this top, this top, kind of curving upwards as well, right? So this is what you want to see. So this is kind of making me feel pretty good. If we can get that daily money flow crossover, we can see big moves for Bitcoin, in my opinion. We do have the VWAP coming down as the money flow is coming up. Now, sometimes when this happens, right, if that VWAP comes down, it could push us a little bit. We could dip a little bit. Money flow might curve down before coming back up and curving up over the zero line. Or, it also could indicate just boring crab market, right? Just sideways motion. Or sideways price action. But that money flow coming up overall has got me feeling pretty good. Also, just to point out, we talked about this yesterday, a little trigger wave here, right? We did come up, but we printed a green dot on the 3-day recently. We're printing a green dot on the 2-day. We printed a green dot on the daily here. Obviously, we came up. But the 2-3-day printing those green dots, as well as the weekly printing this green dot, has got me feeling pretty good, right? Let's take a look at the 16-hour. Printed a red dot on the 16-hour, right, as we rejected off of this line right here, and came down a little bit. We broke that spider line, this yellow diagonal line right here. So, 16-hour, right, still green in the money flow. We're below the zero line on the VWAP. Let's take a look at the 12-hour, kind of looking similar, still in the green. Let's see. Let's just go to the 4-hour. All right. So. Oh, random line. First random line of the night, guys. First random line of the night. Okay, so right here, we got VWAP below the zero line, right? Momentum waves coming down, but generally 4-hour coming up with the money flow, right? We peaked over into the green right here a tiny bit before coming back down. But a lot of the times, guys, it will come up into the green and then just come down for one more little last breath. and then shoot back up into the green, and that's where you come up. So I think that's kind of how we could see this play out. If we do hold this level, maybe we see this VWAP come up, and money flow comes back up into the green, kind of like this, right? So that's kind of what we're hoping for. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, so your money coming out on the 1 hour, right? You get the green wave coming down into the red, but look at that. Same way I just said that sometimes you come down below the 0 line to take a little breath before coming into the green. Same thing can happen here. You do have the VWAP coming up, and look at that. We just printed a 1 hour candle live on stream, guys. Just printed a candle. How exciting. But yeah, okay, so money flow starting to curve back down. So you're coming into the red here with your money flow. So maybe some short-term retracement. But we could see that curve back up. But we'll have to see what happens with that one. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. This has been my favorite scalping time frame lately. Actually, let's take a look at the daily one more time here. So let's see. Did we come lower here? I think we may have. So right here. Right here, maybe not. Okay. All right. Let's check chat real quick. Let's check chat. Sorry if I missed anybody's. I did turn sub-only chats on, right? So if you can't chat, you got to be a subscriber because the chat was going kind of wild the other day. All right, let's see here. Mods, let me know how that works out if it's working any better. I originally planned to name the yacht XRP, but now leaning towards VWAP. Haha, gotta have dreams. That's a great name for your yacht. Just call it VWAP. Oh, I like that. I like that. And only the traders, right? And only the chartists will be able to see your yacht. Only the other chartists that have made millions in crypto, are going to be able to look at your yacht and see the VWAP. Or maybe some stock guys will know too. And they'll see VWAP and they'll look at you and they'll just give you the nod. They'll give you that nod and the wink, But yeah, let's see. I've long Sansol audio on this level and super happy with the results so far. Hit GLM for that pop scalp earlier too. Let's go, Crux. Let's go. Crux, you got it. You got it. You're making money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a cool G for you, my friend. A cool G. All right, let's see here. If we are in an extended cycle, this cycle has been crazy. Lots of pumpage and 250% dumps. Yeah. A lot of people think that, we've seen less severe, farther and fewer between, as well as lesser dips on the way up. So a lot of people think that, we might have seen these 50% dips in replacement for those tiny dips those smaller dips on the way up. Also, we did have the China mining ban happen. We had a lot of that F2 pool stuff going on, which could have totally disrupted this cycle, which might give some validity to that extended cycle theory and those, those kind of late all-time highs. So that's why I subscribe kind of to both sides, right? I think that I do think that the extended cycle theory can play out. A lot of people are just like, that's bogus, no way. I kind of like, I give it a chance, right? I don't think it's impossible. I definitely think it could happen. All right, let's see here. Thank you for the sub-only chat. Jonas, we got you. We got you. Let's see. Crypto lunch break. Frankie, look at ETH, brother. Look how beautiful that inverse head and shoulders. We will take a look at ETH in just a second. R&R, thank you for being back here. A, Captain A, Tony A, everybody. Wick, 589. What's going on? Welcome back to the stream. Had my first 2 positive trades in the last 24 hours. Thanks, bro. Clip it. Connor Wood, we're clipping you right now. We love to hear that. Connor Wood, you're getting $2,000. You're getting 2K because you got into your first positive trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for you. Connor Woods, right? Was that who it was? Congratulations, man. Congratulations. That's awesome. I get ecstatic when I see that you guys are, if you guys are thanking me for your green trades, that is the only thing I can ask for. That is my goal of running this channel. That is my goal. That is the reason that I work so hard to get these videos out and I stay up late and I come on stream super late, or I come on stream every night at 5:45, sometimes 2 in the morning. That's why I do this, guys, because I want to help you guys. Because I think trading's out of, a lot of people get wrecked trying to trade because they just gamble and they don't know what they're actually doing. So I'm here to help you guys realize that there is a way to profitably trade if you could stick to a strategy and manage your risk and stay disciplined and keep your emotions out of it. I think that, I think I could show you guys that there is a way that you can trade and make money, even if you got to throw a little leverage in there. You know what I'm saying? All right, Frankie No Hat Candles, Black Diamond, thank you for being back. Yes, they made me take my hat off yesterday. They were all expecting me to be bald, but I'm not. I actually have abnormally thick hair. The barbers always tell me that. They're like, man, your hair is kind of hard to work with, man. This stuff's thick. Let's see. In times like this, you really see the use case of crypto. Yeah, absolutely. A lot of the stuff going on in the world, I'm not going to get into it. You really do. You see the importance of crypto for sure. People think reading charts is like reading tea leaves, but it's more like reading a book. You put everything together to build a plot up to your point in the book, but plot twists are everywhere. That's a good way. Wow, that wick. That's a good way to say it. That's a good way to say it. Hi, Frankie. Do you think in the short term there is a chance for Bitcoin to retest 36K? Let's get into that. So, what do I think can happen, right? So here we are, right? This is the 4-hour chart, right? So clearly we're having trouble in this range, right? Just right inside this purple box, right? Let's just get rid of this line. We'll keep it as the range, right? We're having trouble up here. Now, it's, hang on, where did, okay, never mind. So yeah, we're getting rejected. Boom, 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 boom. Clear resistance, right? We are breaking below this spider line right now, but we do have an area of resistance right here that maybe could pop us back over, right? But this is kind of my thoughts here, right? If we can break out of here, right? If we could come up, right? Maybe we bounce around a little bit, but if we could come back in here and bounce up and break out, right? And flip this to support, right? Or maybe even 46 to support, right? Then I can see us working our way up to 48 and then eventually 50 and then, maybe even 52, which is right around where this spider line is. Actually, it's depending on how fast you come up, this is about 42, 43. So definitely would be seeing some resistance at that point. Even if it's just a little bounce down, if we're going to all-time highs, we will see some resistance there. So it'll be kind of in this range where I would be looking to take a little bit of my profit off the table. And then hopefully we can break out and come higher. Now, there is a pattern, right, that I want to bring up that I brought, like I said, I brought it up when I first started the channel. So we're going to get into that in just a second. But let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum, or as some people say, F. Have you guys ever heard anybody say F? I actually know somebody who calls it F, and it's like, I mean, hey, call it whatever the heck you want, but it's definitely ETH, right? Anybody say F in the chat? Let me know. Frankie, I send you my first trades and the profit on Twitter. I don't know if you saw. Alejandro, I did. Maybe I didn't see. Hang on. But if you don't want to say thanks for the chart education, you are fired. Hey, Alejandro. Alejandro, I appreciate that so much. I've been getting a lot of Twitter DMs with people sending me screenshots. Captain Kirk sent me a bunch, but I've been getting other people too just sending me screenshots saying like, thank you, Frankie. You helped me become a confident trader. I'm using what I'm learning in your videos and on your streams, and I'm making profit. It's crazy for me to see, and like this is why, like I said, this is why I do it. So Alejandro, I'm not sure if it was exactly you. I'm gonna check my Twitter right after the stream. If it was, if I did see it, I would have answered. So if when I get off of the stream, I'll go check it out and I will respond to you. Captain Kirk, what's going on? Thank you for being back here, Captain Kirk. I appreciate you. Always crushing the mod game. Am I the only one losing money? My Femex account started at 973 and is now 700 after about 3 months of trading, trying to stay positive. Stoked you guys are making good profits. V-Slim, listen, don't let that get you discouraged, right? The fact that you had 973 in your account and it's down only to 700 makes me think you're probably doing at least a decent amount of stuff right? Like, I'm sure you're using stop losses, obviously, because you haven't blown up your entire account. So that's like a huge win. Right? And so maybe you want to try a different strategy, or maybe, you might just want to tweak some stuff. And I don't know what your actual, losses to wins look like. I don't know what your stop losses look like. Was it a couple of trades that went bad? Was it a lot of small trades that went bad? I'm not sure. But if you continue to be in here and continue to ask questions and maybe win that one-on-one 15-minute call with me, you can ask me questions directly and I will do everything in my power to help you out. All right, let's see here. And someone asked me yesterday what my percentage between strategy and TA and gut feeling I go off of. Never gut feeling. I don't make any of my trading decisions off of my gut feeling. My gut feeling and everyone's gut feeling means nothing. It means absolutely nothing. Zero. There is no data backing your gut, right? Now, could you go with your gut and be right sometimes? Absolutely. But it's a losing game. I promise you that. It's like trading with your emotions, right? Oh, I don't know. I'm feeling good today. I think Bitcoin's going to go up, and you put a trade in. Doesn't make any sense. But it was a good question for them to ask, because I think a lot of people think that good traders just have a good, good gut feeling about stuff. I think that is a misconception. So it was a great question. What's going on, BJ? Thank you for being here. Yo, Frank, are you at 699K subs? You close enough to hit 7K live? Yeah. Actually, let me let me actually pull that up. Yeah, guys, I totally forgot to say that. I meant to say that at the beginning of the stream. We actually hit 7K subs. Let me open up my YouTube studio here. It might have gone down. Maybe we lost a couple. No, guys, let's go. We are at 7. Hang on, let me pull up. Hang on, hold up. Hey. All right, let's see. Guys, there it is. Look at that, guys. 7,027 subscribers. This is crazy. We just hit 6K. We just hit 5K, right? We just hit 5K, I feel like a couple weeks ago, and it was a big celebration, and we're already at 7. This is insane. So thank you all for being here and supporting the channel. This is insane. We're growing such a good community. Not only is it a powerful community of a lot of people helping each other and learning how to make money trading crypto, whether we're going up or down, but you guys are helping each other, right? Like, it's crazy how much you guys help each other. And it's just a whole community full of really, really good people. And I love it. I could not love it more. Oh, look at the 7Ks in chat. Let's go, guys. Bullish on subs. Absolutely, guys. We're going to take this channel to the moon, okay? We're taking it to the moon. I'm never going to stop. And we are going nuts over here on this YouTube channel. And we're all going to make money in the process. It's cool that you guys get to come along for the ride. Super happy about that. Daryl, welcome to the chat. Bullish on subs. Thank you for saying that. But yeah, guys, absolutely crazy. Crypto Anon with the huge LFG. But yeah, guys, insane. So thank you so much. We're gonna do a we're gonna keep doing giveaways. Maybe I kind of want to let the NFT giveaway and the one-on-one call giveaway maybe go for one more day, get a couple more people in there maybe watching and didn't get a chance to enter. So definitely check out that latest video on our channel, the stop loss video, and go ahead and hit it with a like, watch it, give it a comment, and be a subscriber to get entered in to win this cool NFT right here, this Adakian 0232. That is your NFT that you will receive. I don't actually know what it's worth currently. What are they going for? Okay, I don't know if this is the floor, but 42 bucks, 45 bucks. This one's 150. I don't even really know what I paid for it, but it's probably somewhere in this range of, between $140, 150 bucks, $100 not 150. But yeah, super, super cool. And hey, it's free to you, right? If you don't like NFTs, just sell it and get your 50 Cardano. Oh, I'm sorry, it would be 40 Cardano to 100 Cardano, which is pretty close to $1. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I really can't thank you enough. It really blows my mind every time I look at that sub count and these streams, viewers going up, likes going up. It's insane. So thank you. Okay, so when candle giveaway, maybe we should try to get a Yankee Candle sponsorship, right? And we'll just do like a little review. This one's Rusty Wood Musk. Right? Maybe we'll get a Yankee Candle sponsorship and we'll just review candles. Maybe we'll turn it to a candle review channel. No, I'm just kidding, guys. ETH holding strong at 2,800. Yeah, okay, so let's take a look at ETH. All right, let me get rid of these lines. Boom, boom, boom. I guess we can keep them, whatever. All right. All right, we're on the 4 hour here. Okay. So looking at the daily, right, it's going to look very similar to Bitcoin, right? Money flow coming up. I'm just going to, it looks very similar to Bitcoin, right? But yeah, I do think that coming back down to the 4 hour, holding 2,800 strong. Let's get a line over here at 2,800, or at least close to 2,800, 2,805, close enough. But yeah, holding this level, right, guys? let's pull a Fibonacci retracement on here. Boom. I kind of missed that wick, but we'll get close enough. Boom. Okay. So yeah, so we are coming down to the 0.5 level right here. So it is a level, and as you can see, yeah, so we have the golden pocket there. It might be why we rejected. So you guys can see here, right? This golden pocket here, these two yellow lines holds as you know, support, and then acts as resistance clearly. But you know, we are making a higher high here on the 4 hour, so maybe we can bounce through it, hopefully getting our way up towards $3,000. Okay, yeah, it's kind of the same idea, right? You guys can see the money flow is the same, peaked into the green just a little bit and then back down into the red. So yeah, that is not looking too bad. I do think there could be a chance that we just come back up here. VWAP is below the 0 line, right? So we could see that come back up. And also, guys, new video, I recorded a new strategy video. I know you guys like that divergence video. I heard a lot of people were saying that this is what they needed to kind of break through that confidence issue they have. And I know it helped out a lot of people. You guys like the strategy videos, so we're coming out with another one. I actually shot it today, and my screen recording software failed on me halfway through. So I finished the whole video, and then when I went back to look at the footage, you know, my screen recording was only halfway done. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to re-record it in the morning and then upload it, but it will be up tomorrow. So keep a lookout for that, and then go back to the stop loss video to like, comment, to enter the NFT giveaway. So yeah, you know, this is, yeah, so when was this? This was, yeah, this is the 10th. Yeah, so as you guys can see, we, you know, we came up to about 3,300. Wow, it's crazy. I feel like I wasn't even there when that happened. You know, like I saw this and I was like, when did ETH hit 3,300? It was only up there for a little bit, but yeah, so coming down off of the golden pocket again, hoping we can hold this level here at about 2,800, right? Psychological level of resist or support in this case. Nice even number, 2,800. So we might see some pretty strong support there. As you can see, we held it as resistance here. So hopefully we can flip it into support. And if we come down to our lower time frames, right? It was actually, was it right here? Yeah, so it was right here. We had this little bullish divergence forming on Ethereum from here to right here, as you had price coming down right off of this candle down to this candle, right? So there's your bullish divergence, right? You get the pinch point. These two lines, one coming down on price, one coming up on the momentum waves, right? You're making a lower low on price while you're making a lower high. I'm sorry, a higher low. I always mix those up. It's like a tongue twister. While you're making a higher low on the momentum waves down here, that is a bullish divergence, right? Could have taken that scalp long. Let's see where you would have landed, right? You'd be about you know, 1% and change, right? 1.3%, we'll say, in profit right now. And so actually, let me tell you, so right here, I was actually, let's see. So also, right, this is, if we come to the larger time frame, you could see it a little better, right? We are at that fib level, right? So when we talk about trading the divergences, I say you don't just want to trade the divergence, right? Like I said, these are easy to spot on the chart. You see that little pinch point. You could expect price to pop out at the end. And, you know, you don't just want to trade based off of this, right? A lot of times it could work out, but I knew we were coming down to this level at about 2,800 was going to be strong support. There's a fib level there. We already had a line drawn for just as a line of support. So we're coming down to a line of support, right? And you get the bullish divergence. That could, that's usually indicated, you know, that's a nice confirmation to go ahead and put in a scalp long, and you'd be up, right? If you're using 10x leverage, you'd be up like 10%, maybe 13%. So very, very powerful, guys. I always like to point these out because I think these are easily tradable, right? Especially if you're coming down to a fib level or a strong key level of support and resistance. So yeah, let's check chat real quick. Let's check chat. Just caught up 2x speed. What up, Frankie? Scott Osborne, what's going on? Welcome back to the stream. I love that, right? You're watching a YouTube video and it's live and you're only a few minutes late, so you go in 2x speed until it catches up to the live. That's like satisfying almost. All right, let's see. Adam doesn't care if Bitcoin is going down. Feels good, man. Yeah, Daryl, absolutely. Adam, I always say this. Adam does not care. Adam does, that's Ada. Where's Adam? Adam, I was like, I'm looking at him like 90 cents. Oh no. Yeah. Cosmos does not care. Cosmos does what it wants. That's why I like to trade Cosmos a lot. I actually haven't traded in a little bit, but yeah, Cosmos doesn't care. Cosmos does what it wants. It strays away from the crowd. It doesn't want to fit in and be cool like everybody else. It just wants to do its own thing, which in turn makes it super cool. But yeah, looking pretty good here. Looking pretty good, you know, on the 15-minute. Could you have, how could we have seen this? Right, there you go. Bullish divergence right here. You got the green dot here, you got the green dot here, right? And then, you know, let's see, come up, you get a low here, right? And then to this low here, right? Another pinch point, kaboom, right? You go down here, up there, squeezes it, and pop, comes right up. What kind of gain could we expect out of here? Probably a little more than that ETH, right? Oh, baby, you're giving me FOMO, Daryl. You're giving me FOMO. I missed this. I missed this trade. I could have made 90%. But yeah, thank you for bringing Adam up. We love to look at Adam. And this happened today. So yeah, you could have caught that. I just like showing you guys, I like giving you the sauce, right? I like giving you the sauce, showing you guys how you can find these trades or these bullish divergences. Also, again, coming down to a level of support, right? So you get that confirmation. You had money flow starting to curve up. Now, you did have the VWAP above, which might have made me feel a little about it, but you had the money flow coming up, which is kind of the important part. So that's kind of like, I'm just trying to, you know, give you guys little tips here, little things that you can see, right? You're coming up to support. You see the divergence. You want to wait for it to confirm that green dot. You want to print another candle after that green dot to lock that green dot in. And then you also see the money flow starting to curve up, gives you a little bit extra confirmation. You can look at the RSIs. You can pull out your Fibonacci. There's a million different ways you can do it, but you just want to pick out these little extra pieces of confirmation. That would have been a great trade. Okay, let's see. Easy trade, Daryl. Absolutely, absolutely. That's what I mean, guys. There's money out there. And like, you know, this is a 9% pump. But, you know, even in a bear market with leverage, you don't need that big of a move. If Bitcoin moves 1% or an altcoin moves 1%, you can get 10% profit, right? So that's not too bad if you can get a couple of those trades in a day. You can make good money even in a bear market. That's why I think this is so cool and so important to be teaching people. But yeah, speaking of trading with leverage, guys, if you want to sign up for Femex, my referral link is in the chat. I pinned it to the top of the chat. So just click that link. You do get a signing bonus, and it does help with the channel just a little bit. So it's a win-win situation, and I would greatly appreciate the CandleMafia if you guys go ahead and use that link. But let's check chat here. Let's check chat. Is there another Daryl? What happens if I win the contest tomorrow? I'm going to be watching Batman at this time. No problem, dude. We will, I mean, I'll keep shouting you out on the stream until you come back. And our mods are great. You know, if I shout you out or they see you pop in, they're going to be like, at Daryl, hey, you won the giveaway. Congratulations, right? So don't worry about that. We won't forget about you. You're not going to get, if you win it, you win it. You don't have to be in the stream when it's announced. But it would be exciting if you win it and you are in there because then we could celebrate. Do you think DOT may have a bit of room to run up? We'll take a look. V-Slim will take a look at DOT in just a second. I'll pull it up so we don't forget. Let's see. Bet. Thanks, bro. Austin. Jimmy Two Shoe says, Bronx Bitcoin Bulls ready for the Bulls or the Bears? Money bags are on 100%. Let's go, Jimmy boy. Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you. Hey, New Yorkers, stick together, right? All right, let's see. He's from the Boogie Down Bronx, guys. You know, Jimmy comes from New York, where I am from, if you're new to the stream. That's why we're here in the New York Bagel Factory making these streams for you so you can make that bread, baby. Collect the baguette, finagle the bagel, whatever you got to do, we're getting the bread. All right, let's see. Frankie FOMO, let's go. Yeah, Daryl's got me feeling FOMO on that Adam trade. I'm pissed. That is the one thing, guys, you know, and I like to bring this up because I like to preach not FOMOing into trades, right? I'm very, very busy with this channel. It is more than a full-time job. I'm working early in the morning to late at night. If I'm not making a video or I'm not at the office, I'm at home, I'm looking at the charts, I'm doing research, right? It's a constant 24/7 thing. It's a lifestyle. I live this, I breathe this. It's a lot of work, right? But with that being said, right, if I am working on these videos or the channel or doing all the things that a lot of people don't even realize are involved in this, I do miss some trades, and lately it's starting to eat away at me. I'm like, I'm missing these trades. But it's for the better of you guys. If I could help you guys make some money, and while I'm doing that, I'm missing trades, I don't care. But I want you guys to know I don't see these trades and then try to FOMO in or just try to catch the short because I missed that trade or try to revenge trade or anything like that. If I miss the trade, I let it go. You're gonna get a million more pumps and a million more dumps. So just never FOMO no trades. Not a good strategy. A lot of people get wrecked like that. Easy way to eat up your whole account. Let's take a look here. What's your wheelhouse of tradable cryptos? Cobra Kai. So I would say Atom, DOT, XRP, ETH, and Bitcoin. Sometimes Cardano are kind of my go-tos. What is going on, guys? We have a wild BitBoy in the studio.
And his mother.
And hello, nice to meet you.
Have you never met my mom?
I'm not sure. Maybe very, very briefly. Well, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah, and we know you're live streaming right now.
Yes.
I'm in the building.
Yes, you do. You do on the building. Guys, Ben gets to crash the stream whenever he wants. And I think you guys like it. I think you guys do definitely like it. All right, let's see here. Guess there's 3 of us. I go by Tonight Frankie as my YouTube handle. Guess there's 3 of us. Gotcha. All right, let's see. Like on price or signals? Uncle Jimmy, I don't know exactly what you are asking there. I'm sorry. 15-minute chat with Frankie is better than an NFT. Danny, let's go. I think we'll pull the NFT winner first, and then we will go ahead and pull the 15-minute call winner. Let's see. Frankie 24/7 candles. Yes, absolutely. But I do it for you guys. I do it for you. Let's get it. Moon mission with Ben. Yes. Ben will strap you to his back and take you to the moon. Let's see. BitBoy, let's go. Ben reveal. They want a Ben reveal. All right. Atom, DOT, XRP, ETH, Bitcoin, and sometimes Cardano. Yes, sometimes Cardano. I mean, Atom and DOT are probably like my favorite, the most fun to trade, as you can see, because usually when the regular market gets boring, that's when DOT and Atom decide to be like, nah, I'm going this way, and then it's fun to trade. Sometimes, when the other coins are going sideways. Let's see, any updates on Gala or still depends on BTC? Bubba's, let's take a look at DOT first, and then we will look at Gala. We'll work our way down the list here. What's more important to you on markets, on Market Cipher B, money flow or VWAP? Used in different ways, right? One is not more important than the other. I will say though, if you're getting aggressive money flow curvature to the upside, say, and VWAP is coming down, but money flow is still coming up, I would kind of put my my narrative in where the money flow is going, because the VWAP goes up and down, right? Like if you come, like we're thick in the green here, as you can see, just for an example. Right here, we are thick in the green, and the VWAP's just kind of going up and down and up and down and up and down, but you are in the green, right? So, it's, I would say, I don't know how to explain that, but money flow can be in the red and the VWAP's going to go up and down, right? So if I see the money flow curving up towards the green, I would lean my, if I had to guess if it was going to go up or down, I would be basing that off of the money flow. And then I kind of use the VWAP to find good entries, right? So I hope that makes sense. When Frankie own building, hopefully one day. Bagels for days. Let's go, Cody. Let's go. What if the first winner drawn gets a choice? Bubba's, maybe we can do that. Yeah, maybe. Well, we'll see. We'll see what you guys want. Let's see. Daily close in 30 minutes. Let's stay above 42. Yes, please, for the love of God, let's stay above there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at Polkadot. So let's start off on the daily right here, and they want a Ben reveal.
Yeah.
They want a Ben reveal. We rug pulled them on the sauce drinking.
Too much sauce.
Too much sauce
in this office, boys. You know, my favorite thing is when I'm here after pretty much everybody else and the only person still here always, Frankie Candles. Why? Because he cares about the Candle Mafia.
That's right. That's
and
right.
He can't leave.
Yeah.
He literally can't leave. His cage is over there.
You can't hear it, but there are shackles on my feet. And I don't need lights, right, guys? I only need candle lights. So
Don't shake your feet.
yeah. See you later. Bye. It was nice meeting you. Mr. BitBoy Crypto for the Candle Mafia. There you go. You wanted the Ben reveal. You got the Ben reveal. Okay, let's go ahead and check it. Never met Ben's mom, I don't believe. So that was a pleasant experience. Seems like a very nice lady. Okay, let's see here. I'm ADHD and was bouncing around too much between altcoins. Moved everything to Bitcoin and ETH. TN, I feel you. TN Frank, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's see. Not a fan of eating bugs, but I'm cool with the 15-minute call. I'm all in Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. Let's go, Jimmy Void. Yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, we're gonna see. I do want to be clear, guys. I'm not just gonna like pick a cockroach up off the floor, right? I'm probably gonna get some like like a package of like edible crickets. I don't think there is like anything different, but it's like we'll show them to you. It's I think it's basically just a dried out cricket, but they flavor them. It's pretty funny actually. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. I imagine it's not that good. Let's see. And so I've actually tried. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but they do have these crickets. If you guys watch Hit Network, someone has them. So someone has them at Hit Network. Nina, one of our editors here, has a couple boxes or tubes of them. So I don't know if she still has them. I tried one time on the Hit Network videos. It's pretty gross, but I'm gonna see if she still has them and if she would be willing to lend me some crickets to eat on camera for you guys. Okay, let's take a look here. Benny Boy in the house. Let's go, yo Ben, Cobra Kai. Let's see. BitBoy Crypto for president. Yes, let's go. Imagine Ben was the head of the Fed, right? Oh God, how the world would change for the better. Yes, BitBoy for president, absolutely. Hi Frankie, can it drop to 36 in the short term? Okay, yeah. All right, let's just take a look at Polkadot. We're gonna take a look at Gallo, then we'll go back to Bitcoin. All right, so Polkadot. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look here. All right, so on the daily, right, same kind of thing, right? Coming up on the money flow. Let's just come down here and see if you could have caught any trades around this area. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 hour. There you go. Boom. From this green dot to this green dot, which has not confirmed yet, still 27 minutes left in the candle. By what I mean by confirm is you need to wait for another candle to print to lock this green dot in. This green dot can appear and disappear and reappear and disappear while this 27-minute timer is counting until the next candle is printed. So you want to wait for that to confirm. Just want to point that out. That is very important. But from this green dot to that green dot, and then let's see, where's that candle? From this candle to this candle. Look at that. That's a bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Now let's see. You are at support, right? So as you can see, we got rejected. We got rejected right here. We got a little support right there. We got rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. So that is a level. Now, so you are coming down to support with the bullish divergence on the hourly. Money flow in the red, right? So you would want to be careful. If you did trade this, you would want to be really careful. So you're going to have to see if this confirms and if you can get right back over here, over this support, right? Because you came down and now you're testing it as resistance. So you would want to pop over there again, but is a bullish divergence nonetheless. All right, let's see. I'm going to post every trade in chat with percentage loss or gain. Hey, crypto noob, N-U-B-E. Yeah, that would be cool. That would be really cool. I love to know if you guys ever win trades, lose trades, whatever it is, always send them to me on Twitter, send them to me on whatever you want, however you want to get in touch with me, Instagram, Twitter, however it is, send them over to me. I'd like to see your wins. If you want to show me your losses, that's fine too. But it really is, it motivates me when I see you guys making money. It really does. And guys, Discord. Now I know Captain Kirk, I did check out the Discord last night. Very impressive. If you guys do need to get in touch with the mods, you can, maybe they'll throw a link in here for you guys to join that Discord. You know, if you win a giveaway or something and you need to get in touch with me, you could probably get in touch with the mods in that Discord, and then they will reach out to me. You know, if you have to send an address for an NFT that you won or something, definitely, you know, join into that Discord. But our official Frankie Candles Discord is in the works right now. And this is going to be a place where we can all come together, post our TA. Maybe we'll have a little channel where you could just post your gains and your losses, whatever you want to send, your profit and loss in there. If you have a big win, you can post it in there. We can all celebrate. And then there will be a place where I could post my TA, give you guys ideas of what I'm thinking on the market, and you know, and then a place for everybody to share their TA. Maybe we'll do some. We're gonna be doing a lot of cool stuff on there. And then if we ever, when we wind up doing hopefully a CandleMafia NFT drop. Right? It would be a free airdrop to the community. You would just have to pay the Cardano fees, which would probably be like 3 Cardano or something like that. If you've ever used the Cardano ecosystem, you know it's very cheap. But then the holders of those NFTs would essentially, maybe we can make special access stuff that only people who hold the NFT can access. So I think that'll be really cool, and I think it'd be really fun to have our own NFTs. Okay, so yeah, bullish divergence on the 1 hour for DOT. Looks good. We are in the red though, so you do want to be careful, but obviously, you know, that could, you know, bring us up. Okay, so let's go ahead and check Gala, then we're going right back to Bitcoin. Okay, so good old Gala. Guys, today's energy is brought to you by Black Coffee. I almost ruined my white sweatshirt, guys. Almost ruined my white sweatshirt. Oh yeah, that's good coffee. That's good coffee. I don't know why I spun the wheels. Doesn't count. Anyway, 223 likes, guys. 272 watching. Thank you guys for being here. Smash the like button if you have not. For every 100 likes, you guys get a spin. And I'm not gonna lie, I want to give stuff away to you guys, but if we keep landing on giveaway, I'm gonna go broke. But that's okay. I'll go broke for you guys. Anyway, all right, taking a look at Gala. All right. So, you know, not even gonna go to the longer time frames. Look very similar. But just let's go to the 1 hour and just zoom in and get a little idea of what's going on here. So here you go. There you go. Yeah. So coming down to this support level right here, let's go ahead and pull a little Fibonacci, a little bit of Fibonacci. Let's go ahead like this. Bada boom, bada bang. Bing bong. Okay. Yeah. So coming down to this, right, bounce perfectly right off of this, you know, 236 fib level right here. And guys, I gotta work on getting bigger monitors. You know, it's like I feel like I'm hunched over staring at my screen. Not good for the old posture, right? Gotta roll those shoulders back. Okay, so coming down to okay, guys. Are we gonna do it? Are we gonna do it? I really am dying to get into a trade live with you guys. Obviously, I can't show it, but YouTube does not like that. But I'm dying to get into a trade, but I want to be really careful that I'm not trying to force trades just for the stream because I don't want to set a bad example for you guys. So if we ever see a really good setup, I think we'll probably, that's when we'll be entering trades. And let's see right here. This is the 1 hour green dot to green dot. And then go from the bottom of this candle to the bottom of this candle, lower, low, higher, low, pinch point, bullish divergence, fib level, confirmation, interesting. Money flow curving up, VWAP crossing over the 0 line to the upside. Interesting. I don't know. Looks doesn't look too bad. Does not look too bad. You know, we just came off of the big retrace. I don't know. Not financial advice, guys. Not financial advice. This actually does look kind of juicy, though. I'm not gonna lie. Let's check some of the other time frames just to make sure. And then look, guys, I talk about this all the time. Talk about this all the time, guys. Look at this. This little trigger wave right here, these tiny little trigger waves that don't come very far over the zero line. When you print these red dots or green dots, vice versa, if you have a wave like that with a green dot, right? These little trigger waves typically have pretty aggressive moves to the downside. So that is another way you can be looking when even if you're trading based off of another strategy, if you're trading a divergence or, say you're trading off of the new strategy that I'm going to be showing you guys in tomorrow's video. Some of you might be familiar with it, but it will be new to a lot of you. If you guys are using that strategy, for example, I'm not going to tease it too much, but when you're looking for confirmations, right? If you do see trigger waves that are going, from the upside to the downside, you can expect a move down. Pretty powerful. Typically, they're pretty powerful. So this is just called this is called a trigger wave. And yeah, you're gonna be wanting to look for these. You can add confirmation with that, right? So if we were looking to enter a short off of some other signal and we see this forming, we can it could add a little confirmation. Just a little bit of sauce for you guys. I like to just kind of throw it at you a little bit, just a little dip your fingers in the pot and just kind of spritz it on you a little bit. Oh God, why am I like this? Anyway, wait till Bitcoin hits 40,500, then launch at Solana. Say it with your chest. Waiting for a good entry on Bitcoin long in a few hours, hopefully. Carlo, yes, keep your eyes on it. Speaking of Bitcoin, we're going to jump in. Let me just read a couple more chats here. I'm late, but I'm here. Hey, Lost Profit, what is going on? Hashtag Bing Bong, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Lost Profit, I met you. Are you the one that said I didn't meet you and I thought I met you? Oh, you're right. I think it is. I guess I didn't meet you, but I think it was part-time chemist that I met at the meetup. I don't know. I can't remember the YouTube names. But how long were you in trading before you were in profit, Frankie? I would say, wow. I wish I had kept better track of that, to be honest. It's an up and down road, right? Because even when I was trading, even when I was using the wrong strategies and doing things that I shouldn't be doing when trading, it's still like an up and down journey, right? Because I would go into like kamikaze trades, but some of them I would win big, right? So I thought I was good, but I wasn't. I just got lucky. But it took me a while to realize what the difference between getting a lucky trade was and knowing that I did the right analysis and entered at the right time and made a sound decision to get into a trade. In the beginning, it's kind of hard to tell, especially when you don't have someone like alongside you kind of giving you advice and helping you. It's kind of hard to realize like where that point of you being like, this isn't a gamble, right? Because a lot of times, like I know like a couple times, like when I first started trading, I'd get like some good wins and I'd be like, oh my God, I'm just naturally good at this. But after trading for a while, I realized like, oh, this is not sustainable. I was just getting lucky. And maybe I did some decent analysis, but not enough to be confident. I learned very quickly that that I was getting lucky, and but it's hard to put a time frame on it. That's a good question. I want to say, like in the beginning, the way I approached trading, right? I actually personally started on a demo account, right? So I started dealing with no money whatsoever, no risk. I was using fake crypto. So I experimented with everything. I figure if I just go in, I learn as much as I can, and I go in and I try everything, I'll figure out what works, what doesn't work. So that's kind of how I approach it. So it's kind of hard to put a time frame on it, but that's kind of how my journey went. Started off with a demo account, tried everything, right? And then got wrecked. And then I started doing really good. So when I felt comfortable doing that, I moved into real trading and then realized that the emotion, that's when I realized that the emotion is the biggest part of this whole thing. Because I was crushing on my paper account, but then when I was in a real trade, I was cutting, I was pulling out of trades too early at a loss when it would just wind up turning around before my stop loss and going back up. So that's when that's really what I struggled with a lot, was like keeping the emotion out of it. And I really had to, teach myself to just trade based off of a strategy, regardless of the emotion. Set your stop loss, set your take profit, let the trade ride out. Whatever, if it hits your take profit, great. If it hits your stop loss, no problem. Next, I'm okay losing that money, on to the next trade. So it was a journey. It was a journey. All right, let's see. Hi, Frankie. I'm new to the channel and I watch your stream every night, and it is helping me a lot. Is there any free money flow indicator you can show us? Love Market Cipher B, but I don't have it yet. Who was that? Ledon Tech. I don't know how to say your name, but welcome to the stream. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Now, I personally obviously use the real Market Cipher. I do know that there are a lot of clones out there that mimic the blue waves and the money flow and the VWAP. I don't specifically have one that I can recommend you, but I'm sure somebody in the chat could probably help you out with that. There are a lot of Market Cipher B lookalikes. So maybe someone in the chat, maybe one of the mods or anybody in chat could let you know, where you can look and find something like that. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Def is hard, but perseverance. Yeah, that's the one thing about me. I kind of feel like is like one of my strengths, or like kind of one of my superpowers. One is I don't sleep a lot, and two, I do not stop. I don't care if I'm bleeding. I can't, whatever it is, I'm not stopping until I figure it out. And if I can't figure it out, that just means I'm putting more time in. And that's it. That's an unnegotiable thing. I just go until it's figured out. I don't care how long it takes me. I don't care how hard it is. If I want to figure it out, I will not stop until it's done. Like when I started trading, I was like, this is something I'm going to get. And it took me a long time, right? Like no one's just automatically a good trader. But it's a hard game, and a lot of people quit because trading's hard. It's not easy, and that's why a lot of people say, a lot of people lose money trading. Like, yeah, sure, because it's really hard. But I just head down, hood up, and push through until I figure it out. I don't care if it takes me 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 10 years. I was going to figure it out one way or another. So that's just that's kind of the attitude you have to have, and I think it's a good attitude to have in life. If you really want to figure it out, you got to be willing to stay up later than everybody else, study harder than everybody else. And, I was talking to somebody about this today. They were saying, I don't think I'm the smartest person, but they were like, I think I just push through everything. Like I work harder than everybody else. And you don't have to be the smartest person in the world. You just got to work harder. So, even if somebody can learn how to trade well in 2 weeks, I didn't care if they could figure it out in 2 weeks. If it took me 2 years, I was going to do it for 2 years until I figured it out. So I think that's a good attitude to have, especially when approaching something like trading. All right, let's see. Frankie, please check XRP. Yes, okay, no problem. Who said that? Who said it? CJ Baker. What's going on, man? Okay. Yeah, so let's just take a look at Bitcoin, right? Okay, so people are, what do you got? You guys are saying 36. You're wondering if it could go down to? Listen, Bitcoin can go down to whatever it wants, if we're being honest. But where's 36? 36 is like right here, I think. Yeah. Let's just mark it. Boom, 36.59. Yeah. So, not impossible, but we do have that daily. How far are we away from this right now? 13, 14, 15, about 15%. That daily money flow crossover, right? The green dots on the higher time frames, like the, daily money flow coming up. 2-day green dot with the trigger wave, right? Remember I told you guys these trigger waves. Now this could have played out for the most part, maybe this little trigger wave right here, but it's a good example of these trigger waves, right? You got an anchor wave down here. CryptoFace calls these anchor waves. If you don't know, CryptoFace is the creator of Market Cipher. He's also the GOAT when it comes to trading. He's like top of the heap in the trading game. So he calls these anchor waves, and then you have a little trigger wave right here, and that's where you pull the trigger and it goes bang, baby. So you can see how these play out with these little trigger waves. Same way how you see this one came a little bit over the line, very, very small, similar to this one, but this played to the downside. Big move to the downside, big move to the upside. So yeah. Okay, so 15%, not impossible for us to come back down there at all. I want to be clear about that. But, you know, I do think that, what is this? Okay. You know, I don't know if we would shoot straight down there. I am still thinking, right, because of the money flow, because of the green dots, right, green dot on the 3-day as well, with a trigger wave. You know, I think this could bring us up more. I think this could bring us up more. You know, when the daily gets into that money flow, that green money flow, I think that's where we'll start seeing bigger moves towards this spider line, right, at about 52, 53. Yeah, you can see here it's like 52. And how far are we away from that, right? About 20%, right? Maybe a little less. Yeah, about 20%. So, yeah, very, very, you know, if I had to guess right now, I'm feeling a little more bullish in the short term, right? Although I am kind of feeling bearish in the long term, just leaning bearish, right? I'm not saying we're going down to the bear market 100% or anything, right? I do think the extended cycle theory could play out, like I said before, but you know, for the short term, I would say I'm probably leaning bullish. We have money flow coming up. We got green dots. We do have those. We have these divergences that are starting to print on the, you know, the lower time frames. Not quite for Bitcoin, but the alts are looking pretty juicy on the lower time frames. You know, 1 hour right here, you get these two green dots. That could be a sign of a bottom. Could be ready to come back up, right? And you have the VWAP coming up, money flow curving up. So I'm feeling bullish in the short term. So yeah, I hope that helps you. Okay, what'd you guys say? XRP. Let's take a look at XRP while I keep my eye on the chat here. Bada boom, bada boom. Throw the X up. XRP army. Let's go. We're checking it out right now. Even if you own the room, everyone is in. Oh, I missed that. You guys are talking to each other. Okay, hell yes. All right. Thank you guys. I'll check it out. And I got a wicked idea for the show, by the way. A crypto lotto for the Candle crew. It keeps moving. Crypto Frank Aquino. Hey, I like that. I like that. Crypto lotto, not bad. Not too far off from the wheel. Are you saying you want to see a giveaway on every single one of these? Maybe we could do something like that in the future where, like, every Friday we erase all the challenges off the board and we make every single thing on here a different type of giveaway. Now, obviously, like I told you guys, I am coming out of pocket, my personal pocket for these giveaways. So if we do that, I'd have to make sure they were somewhat reasonable for my wallet. But yeah, I think that could be something maybe we can do. That'll be like a lotto, right? So we'll pick one random person, right? Like we pick the giveaways, we'll pick one random person and then they get to spin the wheel. And I think what we'll wind up doing is we're going to be monetized very soon here, trying to get that together behind the scenes. But what we can do is we'll set different amount of super chats and you guys can, you know, super chat a certain amount of money to spin the wheel for yourself, right? And then it'll be easy to tell who said the super chat because it'll say your name obviously on the super chat, so I'll know. And then we could spin that wheel just for you, right? So you know, every time you guys want to spin the wheel, we could switch over we could probably switch over from likes to super chats. We got 251 people watching, 251 likes. Let's go. That's confluence if I've ever seen it. But yeah, I think that could be pretty cool. I definitely think that could be cool. All right, let's see here. Is Frankie, what are your top 5 coins to DCA through the bear market for a long-term hodl? I would say Ethereum, XRP, Gala 5, Cardano, basically blue chips, Polkadot. Okay, let's see here. Do boring link next. Need hopium, ha ha ha. XRP army, let's go. We got the Link Marines here. All right, yeah, we'll check out Chainlink. Let's check out XRP right now. Okay, take a look at the daily. Looking the same as Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Let's see. Boom. VWAP coming up on the 4-hour, right? So we'll keep an eye on that. Let's see, 1 hour. Money flow coming up, about to cross over, you know, getting close to crossing over. You know, our last money flow crossover kind of happened at the top there, but Yeah, money flow coming up on the 1 hour. Let's check the 15 minutes, see if there's anything going on here. I like checking the smaller time frames because there's a lot of setups that happen on the smaller time frames. So I like to be able to point out like certain things that you guys could have seen to get into good trades. Okay, let's see. VWAP coming down in the 15 minute. Really nothing to see there. I mean, not looking too bad. What's the weekly look like for XRP? Oh, above the zero line with the VWAP. Money flow coming up on the weekly. That could be bullish. That could be bullish. All right, let's go ahead and look at the 3-day. Oh, baby, look at this. Look at this. So, all right, yeah. So a lot of times, right, so you see this tiny little trigger wave right here with the red dot, right? We were saying that that does tend to bring us down a lot. In this case, it brought us from wick to wick, brought us down like 23%. But now we're getting the same thing right here. Let's see if this brought us up similar. About 14% might have played out, but we might just bing and bong around here as we make this finish out this pattern right here. But this, I don't know, this might look primed. XRP kind of looks good. I'm not gonna lie, just overall. I mean, I think this thing's got to go at some point. Can we get somebody reach out to the SEC, CandleMafia? Can you guys reach out to the SEC and get them to hurry this thing up? Because I already tried calling them, and they just don't answer my calls. I've been killing trades on XRP. Crypto Anon, let's go. Crypto Anon is in it, and he's making money. I love it. It just hit the macro 6.5 golden pocket at 75.89. 589. Let's see. So yeah, I mean, not looking bad. It's also like, I mean, not like absolutely textbook, but it's also like kind of been in a like this triangle here, right? It's been in this descending triangle forever. This is the 3-day, so very, very, very interesting. But I think XRP does have a chance to pump up a lot, but obviously dependent on Bitcoin, obviously dependent on the SEC lawsuit. So yes, let's see. And I'll bathe in alts. I've seen bear market entry prices. They're tasty. I know it's a while to hold, but it's gonna be good. Absolutely, guys. If you have a long-term mindset, you shouldn't be afraid of the bear market. Your mouth should be watering at the bear market, right? If you have a long-term mindset, it's not as easy to get rich overnight as people think. So if you have a long-term mindset, that's really how you're going to get rich in crypto, because you got to keep your ears perked up during the bear market so you can scoop up all these good coins at a tiny, tiny price, and then rip up in the next bull market and get rich. Or I would say wealthy if you bought in the bear market. Appreciate it, Frankie. No problem, Wilson. I'm just saying Wilson because I can't see your first name. Let's see. I've been killing trades. Okay. XRP hit golden pocket. Yeah. Frankie, why don't you ever use DBSI on Market Cipher? I just typically, right? I typically go by the motto that, sometimes too information can be bad information, right? So I like to keep things simple. But I do, the DBSI is something that, for you guys who don't know, I will turn the DBSI on, like to just to look at what happened. There it is. I will just turn it on to kind of see what's happening, right? So we're pulling a 12 on the bottom of this candle with a -3 on top, so that looks kind of good. I will pop. It's something I'll pop on, look at, and then I'll just go ahead and turn it off, just so it doesn't, make my charts all messy. So yeah, I hope that answers your question. Thanks. Same percent dumping, I'm guessing. What exchange can I use to buy XRP? I think you could buy it on Phoenix. I'm not 100% sure on that. Actually, let me see here. I'll actually check for you right now. Let's see. Just give me a second here. We'll go to spot. Can you buy XRP? Yes. I guess you can. I guess you could buy it on. You could buy it on Phoenix. You could also buy it on KuCoin. You could buy it on KuCoin, I think Uphold, and I believe KuCoin, Uphold, Phoenix, and I think there's one more. Chat, if you guys can help them out, let them know where you get XRP. But I guess you can get it on Phoenix. Link pinned to the top of the chat if you want to sign up for Phoenix. All right, yeah. Femex and KuCoin. Okay. Let's see. Which NFTs you think are must-haves for the bear market? I'll be honest with you, CJ. Not a huge NFT guy, right? It's just I only have so much mental shelf space for certain things. You know, I am close with DZ. I'm close with Justin from NFT Alpha, and you know, it's I'm not really. I'm just very focused on trading. I'm very focused on TA. I don't have the time to learn or to like pay attention to NFTs enough while also paying attention to every other 200 things that I have going on. So I don't want to get into NFTs and then like trade them half informed. So I've just never really dove that deep in. I do mess around with Cardano NFTs here and there, but not enough to tell you which ones. That would be a better question for Justin and DZ on NFT Alpha. Go follow them if you guys are not already following them. They drop really good NFT content over there. Can you swap it on Atomic Wallet for Stellar? Maybe, probably. Okay. All right, let's see. Thank you, Frankie, for answering my questions. Hey, Alexander, no problem. That's why I'm here, right? That's why I'm here, to help you guys. Wow, you guys are like, yeah, go buy XRP. You can get it here. I love it. Okay, 273 likes. Guys, let's get it to 300. So we get 3 wheel spins. Let me just check really quick on the views and the comments on the video. For the giveaway. Yeah, 8:30, probably not going to be good enough. I think we're going to want to maybe leave this up for one more day to get people to join in on the giveaway. So we will announce it tomorrow. On Friday, we'll announce the 2 giveaways, or the giveaway and the phone call. So if anybody has not gotten in on that, it gives them a chance to go watch the video and leave a comment to get in on the giveaway. All right, let's see. Daily close. Let's check the daily close here. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, we're above this spider line, which is pretty decent. Above this. All right. Yeah. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, this money flow is just teasing us, guys. This VWAP's probably going to cross over before the money flow does. So maybe we kind of go sideways a little bit until this VWAP comes down and crosses back up. So yeah, definitely going to keep an eye on that. Let's take a little sip of this coffee. All right, what do we got going on? Nick says, damn, outfit looking fire, bro. Hey, you like the crew neck, bro? You like the crew neck? What do we got? This is Nike crew neck. I love crew necks. I'm a big crew neck guy. They call me Frankie Crew Necks, right? Let's see. Thanks to everyone in the chat. You guys are awesome. Yeah. Hey, Alexander, we got quite the community here. They love to help. Is it bad? Oh, it is bad. We gonna dump. Hey, maybe. I mean, not impossible. Not a problem. Talk about Osmo and Rose. Hey, Rose. Let's take a look at Rose. I think I have it here somewhere. Yeah, I missed Rose too. That was another coin that I found on Twitter, like before anyone knew what it was, and it looked good. All the TA people, you know, that I follow were like, you know, this looks juicy, and I'm just like, I was waiting to have a little bag to throw into it. I missed it. Thing went nuts. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Very young chart on the daily, but okay. So let's go ahead and take a look here, right? Been in the green for a while. But in the red on the money flow on the daily. Let's look at the weekly. It's going to be so short. Yeah, not too much information there. 3-day. VWAP coming up on the 3-day. Printing a green dot. We're marking this. Money flow coming out, though. So not as bullish as I would like to see. But you could have this money flow curve back up. But yeah. All right, let's see. Let's go to the 4-hour. VWAP coming up on the 4-hour. Shall we? Yeah, not coming up too much, but yeah, money flow curving up on this as well. Let's go ahead and look at the 2-hour. Yeah, oh baby, this thing might go up. 1 hour going, 1 hour VWAP coming down, money flow coming out. It's a little conflicting information there. 15-minute for fun. There you go. A little bullish divergence for you guys. Ooh. Yeah, guys. So this is a good example. I just like to give you guys the sauce, show you guys how you could be making money, right? So from here to here, right? lower low from here to here, higher low, line going up, line going down, pinch point, you know what that means. It's a bullish divergence with the money flow coming up. And then looks like this VWAP might just do one of the little peak down for just a second and come back up. And that might, that might bring you up. But for this, money flow was coming up. You had the bullish divergence. And let's see, where are you coming down to support? Let's draw a little line here. Let's go ahead. Oh, there's the random line, guys. There's the random line. Okay, let's see. Yeah, kind of coming down to support as well. So you could have taken a trade on this. I don't know if you could trade Rose on leverage anywhere. But yeah, you could have gotten 34% with 10x leverage. Not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. All right, let's see. You could spot trade XRP on Femex, then transfer it to another wallet. Yeah, there you go. The hybrid family. I think that's probably the move. I leave only a little bit on exchanges because I've seen how bad the exchanges get when everything is pumping or dumping, and I don't want to have to wait for a transfer to exchange to complete to sell. Yeah, Wick. It's bad. Anytime you need to sell your crypto very, very quickly, Coinbase goes down right away. It's not good. It's not good. They're infamous for that. Let's see. Don't trip, bada dip, bada dip, bada dip. You guys know that song? If you were shouting that song out single and you thought I wasn't gonna know it, you were wrong. That's a good song. That's a good song. Crown Chakra, I think. Guys, check out Crown Chakra if you want to hear rap songs that literally rap about market cipher. It's epic. I love it. And Crypto Face in some of the songs. It's kind of dope. Let's see. What time frames you using when looking for open position? Deep Kush. I use all different time frames, right? It depends on what I'm doing. If I'm scalping, I'm looking probably between the 1 and the 15 minute for scalps. And then if I'm swing trading, I'm looking at the higher time frames. So it really just depends on what I'm doing. If I'm scalping, I've been loving the 15 minute lately, and catching these bullish divergences and just getting these little rips. So let's see how long this would have taken if you wrote it all the way to the top. So 2 hours and 15 minutes, right? So if I'm scalping, I'm on the 15 minute for the most part, right? But I'm looking at the other lower time frames as well as the higher time frames. I look at them all to do my analysis. But I'll trade based off the 15 minute a lot of the time if I'm scalping and I'm sitting down at the computer. If I see some juicy setups on the longer time frames, I'll put in a swing trade and I might hold those for a few days to a few weeks, right? And as I come into profit, I'll drag my stop loss into profit. And then I will cash out that sweet, sweet money. All right, let's see. Let's follow Rose going forward. All right, you got it. Here we go. We're doing it. Ready? Boom. All right. Where is it? I think it's on. That's already on here somewhere. But you got it. We're putting Rose. I don't know. I don't feel like looking through that chart, that little list right now. But there you go. We're adding it. It's on there. Rose is on there. We're going to move it up the list. We're moving it up the list because I do want to keep an eye on Rose as well. Okay. All right. Hi, bro. Bitcoin for tomorrow. What do I think is going to happen tomorrow? Is that what you're asking? Let's see. Not sure if I should get Luna or Avalanche. That's a hard choice. Yeah, Crypto Faces playlist is absolutely epic. 100%. Cryptocurrency, my girlfriend and I just proposed. World Star Raw. Let's go. Cryptocurrency, my girlfriend and I just proposed. Let's go. I love that. I'm kind of upset though because I kind of thought me and cryptocurrency were a thing, but I guess you popped the question first. Whatever. Let's see. If not secret, how much money are you using on one trade? It's not secret. So I think for the... Do you guys hear that? I don't know if you guys could hear that. There's some weird noises going on here. I never know what these noises are at night. There's no one else in the building. I always get these weird... I don't know what that is. Sounds like construction or someone drilling through a wall. Maybe someone's drilling a peephole. They're trying to get a free ticket to the Frankie Candles show. Not today. Frankie, hope you have a great day. Hey, Dude Bell, doubled. Thank you. I appreciate you. But yeah, so for the channel, I don't know where everybody's starting off, right? Everyone starts at a different place. You know, some people putting 10 grand into their trading account is no big deal. To other people, putting $100 would be putting a lot, right? And I want to be relatable to you guys, right? So for the stream, right? Anytime I'm in trades, they're going to be mostly like $100 positions, just because it's enough money where it's exciting and it's little enough money where it's still relatable, right? And then maybe we can do you know, higher trade, you know, higher priced positions. You know, just for fun, you know, if I get into a bigger position or something, I'll pull it up and show you guys. But I also think it would be fun to do like a $100 challenge where like you guys can follow along at some point. You know, I'll start with $100 and we'll try to grow our $100 all together. And maybe we'll lose it, maybe we'll gain it. Hopefully we'll make some money. I think we will. But yeah, I think that would be cool. Start with $100, see how high we can get it. And then, you know, then you guys can follow along. And you don't have to follow along if you don't have to trade with $100. You know, it's totally up to you, right? Depends on how much you're trading with. If you only have $100 in your account, I wouldn't recommend trading with all $100, right? I would recommend trading with about 10% of that, 10 to 20% of that, so you don't blow your whole account up on one trade. All right, let's see. They're doing some woodwork. That sounds like a skill saw. You're right, Wick. It does sound like a skill saw. Oof, wow, this microphone is good. Wick knows exactly what kind of saw it is. Let's see. You hearing dead people again? Yeah, I hope not. We did have a ghost in here at some point. Let's see. Could we check Solana today? Feeling a little uneasy about the trade I'm in. Thanks. Yeah. Okay. Hey, maybe we'll give you a little. Maybe we'll give you a little reassurance, or maybe what I say might be not what you want to hear. I don't know, but either way, I'm going to be honest with you. All right. Let's see. So you are at the golden pocket here. Now. Question is, will you hold it, right? You're starting to lose it a little bit right here on the 15-minute at least. Let's take a look at the daily, right? Daily looking the same as Bitcoin. Daily VWAP coming down, actually very close to the 0 line. Let's look at the 4-hour. Yeah, I mean, you're right at the golden pocket. 4-hour VWAP coming up. This could give you a bounce off of the golden pocket. I don't know your entry, so I don't know how in the red you are, if you are in the red. Yeah, I mean, you could see a bounce out of here. As you can see, you know, when we came back here, you know, we retraced, we wicked below this this area right here on the golden pocket, and then we even wicked down a little more before pumping back up, right? So, you know, I wouldn't be too panicked yet. And like I said, you know, if you start making if you start making lower highs, like so if you come up and you make a lower high and you start bouncing towards the golden pocket like this, and you're able to draw that downward trending line, as you guys know, when you're approaching support or resistance in that, you know, with that downward. So in this example, coming up to support, right, and you make a high and then a lower high and a lower high and a lower high towards that support, what that's showing is that, you know, the bulls tried to bring it up, the bears crushed it down, the bulls tried to buy it back, and then the bears crushed it down again, and the bulls are getting weaker and weaker and weaker, and that usually leads to you breaking the level. So that is something that you can keep an eye on if you start forming a pattern like this. That could be that could mean that it's probable that you'll break this area, and then vice versa, right? If let me just see if there's a. So if price were to be coming up like this, right, and you bounce off, right, and then you bounce off again, and you're setting higher lows, and you're able to draw a line like this, right? That's showing that the bulls came in, right, and then the bears tried to push it down. The bulls bought it back, and then the bears pushed it down less. Bulls bought it back. The bears pushed it down even less. The bears are losing steam. The sellers are losing steam, and then typically that you do more often than not see that push you up through the resistance. So you can keep a lookout for that. But yeah, you have been down at this level. I wouldn't be super panicking just yet. But you are at the golden pocket, so decent support there. And you do have this level down here as well. So if you break the golden pocket, maybe you bounce here. But it is looking like you might be losing it a little bit. But I wouldn't be totally alarmed just yet. And that is on the 4-hour chart. You do have that VWAP coming up, right? So if that VWAP crosses over later tonight, that is where you might be able to see a bounce there. Let's take a look at the 1 hour on Solana. Green dot printed. I mean, this is a few hours ago. but your momentum wave is coming up. Maybe even you come down and make a lower low, right? And then you have your bullish divergence if this wave comes down like that and makes a higher low, and you're able to do that, and you'll have a bullish divergence. And then that would support the theory that you could have a breakout, a nice bounce off of the golden pocket. So I hope that helps you out. Let's take a look at, we already looked at the 15-minute, I believe. Let's look at the 24-minute. Actually, let's get rid of these drawings because they're ugly. Now let's look at the 24-minute. All right, let's look at the 30-minute. Yes. Oh, look at that. Red dot disappearing, reappearing right there. It's not confirmed yet. You have 15 minutes to confirm it. That's what I mean. These dots disappear and reappear. I mean, if you come down, yeah, I mean, even if you come down here and you make a little bit of a lower low and you're able to make that line like this, and this wave comes down and does one of these, you could do that. That could be a bullish divergence, and then you get that bounce. So keep an eye out for that. I hope that helps you out. I don't know if I made you feel worse or better about your uneasiness on that trade, but I hope I gave you at least some clarity. All right, let's see. Frankie, swing trading versus day trading. I'm a swing trader right now. I personally like day trading. It's a little harder for me to day trade nowadays with the channel because I am working a lot. So it's a little more difficult for me to scalp and day trade nowadays. So a lot of my trades have been maybe a couple of days. So it's technically classifying me as a swing trader, I guess. But I do prefer to day trade. I just find it more fun. I like staring at the charts. I like to sit there and watch the charts for a long period of time. I feel like I'm more involved and more focused. But I mean, I let the trades come to me. If I see a setup on the longer time frame, I might take the swing trade. If I see the lower time frame has a setup, I might take that little scalp. But I do try to stay away from scalping when I'm busy, which is why I'm missing a lot of trades lately. But we did get that nice trade the other day that we had on the stream. Nice profit on there. I'm from India, can't use your suggested any other. So yeah, you might have to use a VPN depending on where you live to get onto Femex. You could download, there's plenty of free VPNs on Google. So you might need a VPN depending on where you live. If that's what you're talking about, Rohit. Let's see. Hey, Frankie, currently in a quick short on XLM, got in at 1894, 45 minutes ago. Thoughts? Let's check it out. Is this like a new thing where you guys get into trades and then I like check them out? Should we have like Frankie Candles reviews my trade hour? XLM. And guys, just a heads up, I might cut the stream a little early tonight. I do have a bunch of stuff I have to do. So I don't know. I always say, I think every time I've said that we're going to do a shorter stream and I'm going to leave early, I wind up staying the whole time anyway. So I'm just going to say that we might end a little early, maybe just 15 minutes or something, or maybe we just go the whole 2 hours. I don't know. At this point, we might as well stay the whole 2 hours, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's see. XLM, we'll look at the boom. Okay, let's see. I kind of like this. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh no. Where'd the chat go? Where'd the chat go? XLM got in at 1894. Okay, let's see. 1894. We'll get you right there. Boom. Okay, so entry here. Was it a short? Quick short. Nice work. Nice work. Who is that? M Sheets. Let's go. Great work. Great work. Okay. Boom. I mean, doesn't get much better than that. I mean, I guess technically you could have shorted it from up here, but I mean, you just caught all those red candles. I mean, hey, I don't know what kind of leverage you're using. Let me know in the chat. But great work. Great work, M Sheets, if that's how you say the name. Up 4% right now. If I was trading this, I would probably be using 10x leverage, so I'd be up almost 50%. Might be time to lock in some profits. If you want to pull them all out and just walk away with your bag, that's cool. Or maybe you can just sell off some of your position, keep some in, and let the rest ride out in case you dump more. You do have the 1 hour VWAP coming down, so maybe you come down just a little bit more when that VWAP crosses over. But remember, you could get rejected and it could come back up to pump up a little more. So that great work. Let's see. Do you know where you are at percentage-wise up over time? I would have to check MC. I would have to go and check. I also have like a million different accounts, so it would probably take a little while to figure out and crunch all those numbers. But yeah, we could try to do that one day. Where can I fake trade for more practice? Do you have a website or any suggestions? Yeah, Femex has a testnet. Google Femex testnet. You could sign up for an account there, and then you can deposit fake Bitcoin into your account. I think there's like on-screen instructions. They tell you how to do it. I believe Bybit also has a testnet. All right. Yes to Frankie reviewing our trades. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Memphis Nick, I'm down. No trade is valid until is Frankified. Yes, I will Frankify your trades. I'm going to get some up and running. Run them by you tomorrow. Yes, Koj, please do. Please do. Don't force the trade just to show it to me, but if you get into a good one or a bad one, let me know. I'll give you my thoughts on it. How do I add you up there? How do I add you up there? Rohit, I'm not 100% sure. I think that might be relating to your last chat. 10x guys, and yeah, it's M Sheets. M Sheets, great work. Great work. If I were you, so you're not up 50% right now. You're probably more up, 30% or something like that. Still not a bad place to take a little profit. I don't know how much money you're trading with, if it's a significant amount of money to pocket. But yeah, maybe lock in a little bit of profits, but I would keep an eye on that 1 hour VWAP coming down. Let's come down and check the lower time frames. 45-minute coming to crossover. 30-minute starting to crossover. Might get a little trigger wave here. Look at this go. Look at this. This little trigger wave, Prince, it could bring you down, but you do have the money flow coming up on the 30-minute. So what's the 45-minute money flow looking like? Yeah, curving down, kind of hard to say. Looking at the 30-minute, if you print this little trigger wave with a red dot, that could be a good sign that you have more to come down. Yeah, let's see. Where does this? Anything significant? Yeah, I mean, you came down, came up, now you're rejecting this area. Could push you down further. Let me turn on Market Cipher A for you and see if Market Cipher A is giving us any signals. M Sheets, do you have Market Cipher? Just let me know in chat. All right, let's see. Boom. Okay. I mean, if you got a blood diamond or something up here, I'd hold that. I don't know if you have Market Cipher. Is the captain on duty? Yeah, it looks like, where is Captain? Oh yeah, she said, I gotta go, guys. See y'all Monday. I'm working tomorrow. Bye, Frankie. Happy trading, everyone. Hashtag CandleMafia. Oh, Captain Kirk, I missed that. Sorry. But we got Tyler hanging in here. I know Tony D is not in here today either. So Tyler, shout out to Tyler manning the ship here. Hopefully the scammers don't come in too hard for Tyler to be clicking all over the place. All right, let's see. There's an earthquake, guys. There's a legitimate earthquake going on. Hey, Frankie, sorry I'm a little behind, but been watching, haha. This is Nathan Johnson, an OG, but changed my name, haha. Anyway, head track coach season just started, so late, but watching. Gala isn't on Femex. Yeah, Gala is not on Femex, unfortunately. I wish it was. But yeah, I don't know what your name was originally, but I'm sure I would recognize it if you're an OG for sure. Jimmy Two Shoes coming in with the Frankie Candles Consigliere Chart Boss 100. Forget about it. Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. Let's go, Jimmy. Let's go, Jimmy Two Shoes. All right. Let's see. No, I'm using RSI. I'm only 20 and broke. My trade is worth like $500 right now. Hey, M Sheets. I would see how, maybe we'll check this. I'll pull this up for you again at the end of the stream to see if I can get any more information out of it as time goes by. We are running out of time here. But hey, man, 20 years old and you're up $500 on your trade, man. Congratulations. You're farther than I was when I was 20. So, hey, man, kudos to you. I love to see that. I love to see that. You're probably in college or maybe college age if you're not going to college. But hey, if you keep making trades like this, man, you're not going to need college. You can open your own college, the M Sheets College. So congratulations, man. Good for you. Good for you. I'm glad to see you. I'm glad to see you out here making trades and winning them. Let me know in the chat what let me know what made you take the trade. I'd love to know. I'd love to know. All right, let's see. Shout out to Tyler and Captain. Really appreciate you guys. Just got in. I'm sorry, so late. I'll catch up later. Hey, Christine, no problem, no problem. Bubba's talking OG Mafia. Thanks for all you do. Let's go. Chris Weeks, your studio is haunted. Yes, Chris. Yes, thank you for being back here. Yes, we got to haunt the studio today. Let's see. Just glad to help out. Tyler is always helping out with stuff. Probably gonna be helping us with the I'm gonna have to go get these guys. Hey! I'm kidding. I think they actually stopped because I yelled. I was just joking. Oh, they don't care. Anyway, yeah, let's see. I think Tyler's gonna be helping us out a lot with the Discord too. So he's doing an awesome job. Thank you, Tyler. How do you guys focus on more than one crypto when I was just chasing trends and kept buying at the wrong ends? Yeah, trust me, 99% of people buy the green, sell the red. So don't feel bad about that. 10x long. 42-1 entry, sweating over here, lol. That's my good trade. I have a bad one open from 43-2. It's been bloody. Too damn volatile these last few days. Yeah, it's kind of hard to predict these markets right now. Yeah, I assume, yeah, 42-1, 10x long by 42-1. What is Bitcoin at right now? 42-1, okay. Yeah, you're probably not in that bad of a situation right now. That 43-2, hey, a lot of people are trying to break the, trying to trade these breakouts, right? They're waiting for a breakout above this resistance that we're seeing. Oh, what is this? We're on a super low time frame. But yeah, a lot of people are trying to, let's come to the 4 hour. A lot of people are trying to catch this breakout at this resistance line here, and they're getting wrecked. It's like, yeah, people are seeing it. They're like, oh no, it's gonna go. They put their longs in. They're like, it's going, and then they get wrecked. But that's okay. I'm not saying it doesn't happen to me. I'm just saying, yeah, I mean, that is if I was I don't like trading breakouts. It's very easy to get trapped like that, and you get wrecked. But if I do see like it looks like it's gonna break out, what I'll do is I'll enter a trade, right? And I'll just put a super tight stop loss, right? That way, if it breaks out, it's not gonna be wishy-washy about it, right? If it breaks out, you're gonna get strong candles to the upside. So I'll set a really tight stop loss because chances are if it doesn't rock it, it's gonna break that stop loss and get me out of the trade at a problem, basically like no money, lost, or very small amount of money lost. So I typically don't like trading breakouts though, because as you can see, it's very easy to get wrecked. Okay. Cut and run. Yeah, Crypto Anon. Let's go. Did you eat the bugs? Pearls, not yet. Gonna see if I can get it ready tomorrow. We're gonna see. We do have someone here who has bugs for me to eat. So we're gonna see if they still have them and we can get them on the stream tomorrow. But thanks for reminding everybody, Pearls. I appreciate that. Let's see. Was looking at lower time frames on some of my favorites, XLM being one of them, and I saw a double top on the RSI on the 5-minute chart and said, "Scared money don't make no money," and did it. Hey, M Sheets, bro, I wish you were my little brother or little sister. M Sheets, I'm thinking Mr. Sheets is what I'm thinking. But you're epic, man. Let's see. Saw a double top on the RSI on the 5-minute chart. Let's pull up the RSI, man. I want to check this out, dude. RSI. On the 5-minute, let's see what you saw here. Right here, is this what you're thinking? This is Bitcoin. Maybe we should go to the right coin first. What was it? It was XLM. XLM. What? Oh, okay, boom. What were we just on XLM? I don't know what's going on, guys. Okay, anyway. Dude, good job. Good job. You're seeing 1, 2, and then you looked for the short. Guys, give it up for M Sheets. Give it up for M Sheets. Good job, man. You're 20 years old. Good. You're on the right track, man. You're on the right track. I got high hopes for you. Mike Roberts. Hey, Frankie baby. Love from Australia. Hey, Mike. Thank you. I love Australian accents. I love Australia. You guys seem like you're lit down there. Like, you guys are awesome down there. Every time I see videos of anything going on in Australia, you're always doing cool stuff. And you guys got Foster's. Foster's is good. Let's see. Frankie, appreciate your TA. See you later. Sky's the limit. Thank you for being here. And hey, not only is the sky the limit, the moon is the limit. Let's see. Okay. All right, guys, winding down here, an hour and 45 minutes, 300 likes. Let's go. CandleMafia coming through super strong. I appreciate you guys for that. You get 3 wheel spins. Let's see what we got on here before we spin it here. Working on getting a new wheel. This one is all jacked up. Let me see. Maybe I could like tighten it or something. Let's see. Oh, that might have worked. Oh, let's go. This looks way better now. Oh, never mind. Okay. All right. So we're going to do a spin here. Hopefully it's not completely rigged. All right. So what do we got? We got giveaway. We got night off. We got nasty beans. Nasty beans. Oh, nasty jelly beans. ASMR. 20 jumping jacks. Moonwalk. Eat bugs. Another giveaway. SGRB. I don't even remember what that was. Little teapot dance, celebrity DM, weekend stream, spin number 1. What will you get? I don't know. We have to spin the wheel. Let's go. I wish it made noise. It's so uneventful when it doesn't make noise. I wish I had a playing card down here and I would hold it. Oh, rug pulled on the giveaway. I got rug pulled on the night off. Guys, okay, it's rigged. It's rigged. I did 80 jumping jacks yesterday. I'm not doing this again. I'm kidding. Of course I'm going to do it. But, oh, come on. This thing is totally rigged. I'm going to fix it. Okay. Hopefully that fixed it. I'm not doing 20 more. I actually feel like it's a ripoff because like every time we land on, it's rigged. It's definitely rigged, guys. This is rigged. If this goes straight to jumping jacks, we're going to have to figure out a new wheel. Oh, it is rigged. It's totally rigged. Maybe I got to loosen it. Yeah. This thing's broken. This thing is, I think this thing is on its last leg. I think what we might do is we might switch to a digital wheel temporarily while we wait for a new rigged. 100% rigged. It hasn't always been like that. All right, guys. Well, the wheel's broken, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin it and stop it with my hand, right? All right, here we go. I'm not going to look. I'm not going to look. I'm not going to look. I'm going to stop it. There we go. That's how we do it. SGRB. I don't know what that is. Should have taken it off. SGRB. I don't remember what that is. But I'll tell you what. We'll go this way. Little teapot. I don't know how to do it. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my head, something. Here's my handle. Here is my spout. There you go. That's the last time I'm ever doing that one. That one's coming straight off. I'm getting rid of that one right now. Wow. That was more embarrassing than when I rapped, I'll be honest. I didn't even really do it that like entertainingly. That was just not good. Here we go. Spin number 2. Boom. That was on giveaway, guys. Oh my God. I'm going to go broke, guys. I'm going to need crypto. We really need Bitcoin to go up. All right. We'll announce another giveaway. All right. Here we go. Spin number 3. Boom. Okay. This is a scam. This is a scam. Oh, group Zoom. That's not even giveaway. Did I land on that before? Or was it a giveaway before? I just saw the G and said giveaway. Yeah. So did we just land on that twice? Whatever. We'll do another giveaway, guys. Whatever. We'll do another giveaway. I like doing the giveaways. Group Zoom. Okay. This is going to be a team effort to try to hook this up. Daryl's loving it. Short gamma ray bursts. Yeah, maybe. Does anybody remember that? Frankie, we write names on dollars here in Pensacola, staple it on the wall. Fun little something to do with that prop money for you folks who make your first successful trade. Talk about it in chat. Wick, are you saying that when people win trades, we write their name on the $100 bill and staple it behind us? That is a really, really, really good idea. I love that. Thank you for that. Thank you for the big brain, Wick. I appreciate the big brain you got. I love that. I'm gonna keep an eye on. I'm keep an eye on it. I keep saying that about coins. I'm gonna keep that in mind. Let's see. Is unbalanced, buddy. Bottom is more heavy. Yeah, 100%. Do it where it stops and not where it falls back to. Yeah. It's because the clicker is gone. Yeah, you're right. That's true too. Yeah, this thing is gone. It's the underground bunker 800 feet below you, built by the billionaires. Yes. Maybe. Hey, Frank, where can we see your daily trades? So we're going to be we trade on the stream. If I'm in a trade or we see a setup live, we get into the trade, or if I'm already in a trade, I'll bring it up. As you can see, we got Femex right here. Oh, you can't see my screen, but we have Femex open. But yeah, if we're gonna have a Discord, I don't know if you're asking to see my daily trades that I'm in, or if I see daily setups or something like that. But a lot of that's gonna be in the Discord, which should be coming next week. So keep an eye out for that, Robin. Yoda says womp womp. Hey Frankie, I gotta go eat dinner. Just want to say thanks for the words of encouragement and all the tips your videos give. No joke, you really have changed my mindset on trading, so I thank you. M Sheets, let's go. I love hearing that. Thank you, man. Have a good meal. Okay, so all right. So what do we get? We got little teapot, and then we got giveaway and group Zoom. I gotta write this down, guys. I gotta write it down. Notes, giveaway, group Zoom. Okay, cool. I gotta take a picture of that so I don't lose it. Okay, boom. All right, guys. Okay, so we're gonna announce the NFT and one-on-one call giveaway tomorrow. If you have not entered the giveaway, you just go to the channel and find the stop loss video. It's the last video I just uploaded last night. Watch it, like it, comment, and be a subscriber and enter to win either an NFT, a Cardano NFT, or a 15-minute one-on-one phone call with me. And guys, I don't know how this group call is going to work, so you're going to have to give me a little time to figure out how to do this, or try to get the mods to help out a little bit and figure out how we can do that. But yeah, all right, guys. And then the next giveaway, I'll tell you what. Give me 1 second. The next giveaway is going to be a Ledger Nano S. Not this one because it's ripped. I would never send you a ripped Ledger Nano S. I'll find a different one and send you that. But yeah, Ledger Nano S giveaway. So I'm just going to announce this right now. We're going to do it next week because we got a lot to catch up on as far as giveaways and challenges. But we will be giving away another Ledger Nano S. So MC Crypto got it last time, gave it to his son. So that's really, really awesome. But if you missed out and you're bummed that you didn't win it, you get a second chance. So I'm just announcing this now. I'll let you guys know how you can win this. But if you want the one-on-one 15-minute call or the Cardano NFT, let's just pull that Cardano NFT up one more time. It's going to be this Adakian NFT right here. So if you want to win this or a one-on-one 15-minute call with your boy Frankie Candles, go like, subscribe, and comment on the latest stop loss video on the channel so you can enter to win. Guys, with that being said, let's get a little solo cam here. Guys, with that being said, 7,000 subscribers. It's insane. Thank all of you. Thank you to the OGs who have been here since the beginning. Thank you to all the new people who have popped in, the people who came for ATB, the people who are trading, the people who are making profits. And I am forever grateful for all of you guys. And we're going to keep bringing this channel to the next level every single day. And we will keep growing this community, the best community on YouTube. With that being said, that's all I got. See you in the next one. Frankie Candles out. Make sure you keep an eye out for that strategy video. Will be coming out tomorrow during the day. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out.